how should you prepare your home before selling it? The most important thing to do to your home are cost-effective repairs and design changes that make it feel neutral and spacious, if applicable. Now, these changes include painting the exterior, painting the interior, installing new kitchen hardware, pressure washing the exterior of the home, moving any infrequently used items to storage to declutter, depersonalizing the home by removing family photos, though that's not as important these days. Now, typically if you hire a professional realtor, he or she is going to hire a stager, so that way the photographs can come out very well, and also once all of the work is complete. Now, every change you make should add more value to the home more than it costs to do. Otherwise, it's just not worth your time and effort. And also you want to make sure you're getting a good ROI. Sometimes I'll say, as my grandma used to say, the juice ain't worth the squeezing. So you want to make sure that you're getting an adequate return on investment for the work that you put in. Now, major repairs and renovations most likely aren't going to be worth it, but this isn't a universal rule. Make sure you consult with your real estate professional, and he or she will help you to determine what makes the most sense for you and your home and your budget.